Welcome back to RotoCityTech. I'm Hank. I'm out here at my sister's place. We are going to be putting on this jack. It's a little windy, sorry. This electronic jack for their camper that Recpro sent out to us. So big shout out to Recpro. And we're gonna, the camper has fallen down, so we've got to lift it up with a tractor and then put this jack on. Okay, now go up. Not enough up. Dink, dink, dink.
Elsie.
Just in case. Yeah.
Back up, please, Elsie.
Just start stacking under there, because just be aware that there's a camera behind you. Alright, so now let's get blocks underneath both sides so we can... Here is the box that this trailer jack came in. And now David is going to get it out of the box, and we're going to take it over to the tongue and place it. You'll see that it's really simple to just put in there. Right now we're just getting the old bolts out so that we can use the new bolts that Recpro supplies with the jack when you buy it. So after removing the old jack, it's just 3 bolts. You pull them out and then pull the jack out. You just slide the new one in, and then you put the bolts in and tighten them down, which you'll see here in just a little bit. Now he's putting on the foot plate there at the bottom. It just comes with this little pin. You simply slide it on and put the pin in. And I am checking out the one wire that is with this unit. It has a fuse already in line, and it comes that way, and it even has the supplied fuse in the fuse holder. Now we're just going to attach that single power wire to our positive terminal on our battery. Now you can see that that wire is going from the trailer jack to the battery with the fuse already in it. And later on we'll worry about buttoning up that wire and getting it safe. The problem we ran into is that this was a dead battery, and we also were having a grounding issue. This jack grounds to the frame from the camper, just the metal to metal contact.
And then simply, after you get the battery hooked up to power and ground off the camper, switch it on, there's your lights.
So my brother-in-law ended up having to take this little clip later on after he figured out the ground. But that's it, simple, just one power wire, it's already ground to your camper, simple replacement.